Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. Forgive and forget. People say just forgive and forget, man, and just go on with your life, whatever. Yes, to go on with your life, that I agree with. But forgetting, not so very much that simple. You see, people say, what do you mean? You must forgive and forget. I said, well, let's put it this way. A person comes to you, or you get raped, or you get hurt, you get violently attacked, or people steal from you, whatever, horrible things. I must just forgive and forget and just allow that person back into my life. And then I do the same thing again. I must just forgive and forget. Then I do the same thing again, just forgive and forget. That's not how it operates. So I want to say to you, yes, we do forgive. When people say, no, I don't forgive. I do forgive, but I don't forget. You don't read it and you must forgive it. You're not really forgiving. I said, no, I've got wisdom. I've got understanding now that I do forgive you, but I have the insight that I cannot trust you now. I can't trust you. You see, trust is earned. So it's not about, forgetting. It's about trusting. So you got to prove yourself that you can be trusted. But I forgive you. What do you mean, Johan? So yes, you're forgiven, but you're not in my sphere. You need to prove yourself from a different place or whatever. You might have done harm to me, whatever. I forgive you, but you might go to jail. Yes, you could have heard something, you did something stupid, whatever. Yes, you could be forgiven, but you're still going to have the consequences of those things. That is what you got to understand. But again, when you forgive, you open your heart to change. You open your heart not for you to hate that person that did you wrong. Could have been a rape, could have been serious damage, violent, or somebody did something to your kids or something. I mean, it's hard stuff. It's no jokes. But you forgive, but it doesn't mean you're going to have this hatred in your heart. But you can't just forget and nothing happened. Nah, you can't do that. Do you hear what I'm saying? So trust is earned. So I want you to understand this short, quickly discussion about it. I want to say to you, yes, do forgive. But don't always remember, because through time you'll forget what that person did to you. You will forget. Not just I just forget, but you will forget. Because there's healing in your heart. And you will not keep that against that person. But that person will live their lives. Or they've probably proven that they've changed, that you can see the change in life, and then you can allow them back. Not a problem. But there's not just simple forgive and forget. So I want to just encourage you with these words. Hope it help you a little bit for wherever you're at the stage in your life. Give a comment. Give me a comment, whatever. But like I said, this is very simple, very straight. There's more nuance to that, but just to encourage you and love you and give you a bit of perspective. Like, subscribe, comment. Bless you, man. Bye-bye.